Hey everybody, my cat Dumbledore really want to organize the tournament, but he doesn't have a cup yet. So he asked me to make one, not necessarily Tri-Wizard cup, but some kind of a cat wizard cup, so stay tuned. I was thinking how to make cat theme one, and I think I got a good idea. We'll see if it's gonna work. I will have to do a little bit of manual work eventually. I may need to round it first. This is a trick I learned recently. If you want to use the spur and the chuck at the same time, you don't actually have to remove the chuck. I don't know why I was doing that. Apparently, you can just put this thing in and keep it in the chuck. Somewhere here. Okay, quite unbalanced, but we'll try. And okay, so when you turn, you actually don't see exactly where you're cutting on this side, but you can clearly see on this angle, like right here. So you'll see in a second what I mean exactly. So let's start cutting and observe the top line, because that will be, you can actually see stuff. Okay, I'll do one more round of roughing and maybe that would be it. Okay, it's kind of getting the shape I want. I forgot to do one more operation that I'm supposed to do with the hand tools. Okay, so for this one I want to remove this like weird shape material, so I'm gonna do it with my spoke shave. Okay, so that's prep is done. I don't think I need to do more spoke shave. Okay, back to this one. I'm gonna be making tenon on this side. So now we basically need to do final shaping of the outside and see what's gonna happen. Wow, the most complicated part. We have a jumper. I failed. I thought it would be easier. It's not yet complete failure, so we still can do a little bit. Deeper than expected. Now finishing. And you cannot imagine how many times I actually spilled it all over the place. Okay, don't tell anybody I repaired it this way. The only problem with the super glue, I'm just keep gluing my fingers. Actually, it would be nice character. Looking good. If only I can figure out how to keep it shiny like this. I don't apply poly. That's, yeah, now it's really nice. This is me actually first time trying to put a shellac on turn project. I will need to do some polishing afterwards. Do you think I need to wait for a long time for shellac to dry? I kind of want to finish this piece and be done with this and move to something else. Not advertising, but if somebody wants to send me more, I would not object. Now I need to figure out if my friction polish technique is actually good, and I'm waiting to see shine. And let's see the shine returning. Okay. Good. Perfect. This one is like glass smooth. Whee! Such a goblety goblet. Put some kind of finish in here. Woo! This was way challenging than I actually anticipated. The plan didn't actually work out. Instead of the cat cup with like a cat ears, it's just a regular goblet. Still pretty, but not exactly. So for this one, I'm not gonna do anything more. So that would be it. I had a few failures. Failure inside, also not so pretty. But other than that, it worked. So now I have a second goblet. I don't know for what exact purpose, but I have it. It's very, very shiny. It's very, very nice. And my cat will be happy. Oh, he likes it. You like it. You like it. I hope you like this video. I hope you like this project. Let me know in the comments what I should have done better, or maybe more correctly, and I'll try to do it next time. But for now, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to like this video, and see you next time.